guys, so I'm going to start a new project today. I'm going to build a what they call a lamppost engine, but I'm not going to do what they've done. I'm going to make a wobbler instead and see how that works out. I'm not really sure of the plans, how to do it. I'm going to show you a picture of the actual lamp steam engine that they have got. So you can see this is the Lamppost engine that is out there in the world, as it were, and they've got the single cylinder here and the valve control there. I'm going to make a wobbler, but I'm not sure how to make the wobbler, but we'll figure it out as we go along. Using 1/2-inch mild steel. So I made these up, but I think I need a bit wider edge there, so I found this material. I'm going to cut it to there, so it's a little slightly wider than that. To my surprise, guys, this thing nearly fits that, so I don't have to really turn it down, but I think I'll just polish it to get this on there. Okay guys, so this is drilled, polished a bit. I think I need to polish a bit more, but the piston fits in nicely. See it there? Nice, so I like this indeed. I'm going to cut this and put a pin through so the rod can go that way and this way. This will go like that, hopefully. Okay guys, so cleaned it up a bit and drilled a hole. This is the piston. Piston goes in like that. Quite free and quite good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it here, put a little rod through there, and then that'll move it that way.